All right. So here's a case of a problem that you would be expected to solve, like the quiz that you're taking today. Okay, when you look at this, you have a quadratic function. The leading coefficient is not a 1, so first thing to do is look to see, can you remove any common factors. So you can take a 4 out of this, a 4 out of this, but not here. There's no common factors here. Oh, thank you. No. Right, so if you're manipulating this equation by hand, I'll show you the calculator method as well, but if you're manipulating this by hand, you can look to factor it. There's no common factors. And so the next thing you want to do is look to see, does it fit any of the special factor forms? So in this case, is our first term and our constant, are those both perfect squares? Yeah. So let's test it and see, does it fit the perfect square trinomial form? What base do you square to get 4x squared? And what base do you square to get 25? So if we take the product of these two bases and double it, do we get this middle term's coefficient? 5 times 2x is 10x, double that is 20x. So yes, what that means is we have our binomial square form, and all we need to do is copy down whatever the sign is of that middle term. And now we can use the zero product rule. Take each of these factors, or this repeated factor here, you can extract the square root. Okay? It's equal to plus or minus 0. Since 0 has no sign, we don't need to consider two possible solutions. And then just solve for x. So if you add 5 to both sides and divide by 2, you get your solution of 5/2. Now, you could also, if you come back here, use the solve feature on your calculator, and it'll directly give you the answer 5/2 as well.